Base Camp Alaska, we are just about to begin our first outdoor children videos of how to make things. So today, our first video is going to be how to make some awesome fire starter that lasts forever. So we have an old candle, just a ruined candle. We have a tin can. We're going to take the candle, we're going to smash it and put all the bits inside of the tin can, and we're going to cook it. It's going to get all melted, and the process will unfold. Okay, so make sure you wear your fire gloves. You don't want to melt your hand right off. You have the wax in here in the can, and you have the water inside the pot. You don't want to put this directly on here, otherwise it'll burn or might light on fire. So I'm going to set this in here.
So you're going to need an egg carton and some sawdust, dry sawdust. And you're going to put it in each little compartment, halfway full. Make sure not to pack it down because then the wax can't get through.
We are going to rip up this box and make sure there's no messes.
Okay, so I've just melted it down and kind of smashed the top of the container so it's more of a spout. And come over here, try not to drip any of the water in. This is molten wax, so no spilling. So be careful, you do not want this on yourself. Go.
I'm going to be putting the next layer of sawdust on.
Okay, so I'm going to be putting the next layer of wax in. Didn't have to remelt that. Well, that was our first video on the, what should we call ourselves? Alpine Children? We'll think of a name later. That was our first video, and we made fire starters. On our next video, I think we'll show you how to use them. So, see you next time. Auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen!
Auf Wiedersehen!
I'm busy fixing the wax.
Hi. Yeah, right.
Yeah, right.
Our amazing skills. Okay,
Auf
Auf
Wiedersehen.
Wiedersehen. Auf
Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Wieder.
Wieder.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Wiedersehen.
Auf
Wiedersehen.
Messing